Hey dog, you like the smell of that? Did you pee on my car? Dog, did you pee on my car? What's going on YouTube? Solendred here, and today we're going to be doing another quick little video on the Miata. It's starting to leak a tiny bit by the little carpet right there and right there. So all I'm going to be doing is trying to fix that. I get actually two clips here and here that you need to, I guess, seal up, kind of like what we did with the third brake light over there, but a couple of clips here and there that we need to go ahead and seal back up using that same goop. This stuff right here, this gasket maker, this is that blue RTV. First, I think we need to remove these two little caps. Alright, so I ended up I was using a little nail clippers, but I ended up using one of these things here, teeny tiny flathead, and I just went in there and popped it open. I'm going to do that other side. There's two little screws underneath those clips. We're gonna go ahead and take those off. Okay, so I got those two screws off. All right, it's hot. But the problem area is actually just right here, and if I pull this up, I can actually get to it. As you can see, that little white clip, that's our whole issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to prop this up. All I'm going to be doing right now is using pretty much the same steps I used for the third brake light fix. I'm just going to be cleaning up with some alcohol. And then what I am going to do is take this little screwdriver, once again this flathead, and actually pry the this little piece up just a little bit, so I can get access to underneath. As you can see, this rubber, the rubber is just coming off, like it's just flaking off like that. So this little plastic piece up, and then put the plastic piece down with all the RTV in place. So hey dog, you like the smell of that? Did you pee on my car? Dog, did you pee on my car? Please don't tell me you peed on my car. As you can see here, this is what we're dealing with right there. What I'm gonna try to do is take my pick tool and kind of see if I can pull out. So I think right now what I'm going to do is I am actually going to go ahead and try to put in the RTV. Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and sealed that bad boy up. I might have used a little bit overkill amount, but I don't want that thing to leak again ever. So I got the thing put back on. As you can see, the screw is back in place. I just realized for this side you didn't even need to take off the wiper blades. All you need to do is take that off and kind of pry it open, and I got it back in place. Everything seems to be aligning properly. The only thing I would recommend is after you put that in, get like a wet rag and kind of clean the area off so you don't see any in my case blue RTV. I know some of you guys have like black RTV and all that other stuff, so it's gonna be hot. the next side is pretty much the same way. I'm gonna do that next, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. I went ahead and got this side all done. As you see, the blue RTV is inside there. I went ahead and screwed that back in. Hi dog, you still here? Anyways guys, hope you liked this video. It was a quick and dirty method. I know a lot of people on the forums have been showing to remove the whole cowl, but it didn't really show that good of an instruction. So but I went ahead and did it quick and dirty without removing the whole thing, and it you know, it looks pretty good. Anyways guys, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.